Here I have a Chevy 454 block. It's a GM replacement block. It's a cast number 445 at the end. It's got roller rockers on it. It's got an Edelbrock air gap dual plane intake, brand new Proform HEI with wires, plugs. I have pictures of it online also, and I have a previous video of it with the pan off, so you can actually see what's inside the pan, what's underneath the valve covers. It's got a Holley double pump 650 on it. There's the intake. It also has a aluminum Edelbrock water pump. It's got a Holley fuel pump on it. 8-quart pan. It's got the starter. It's all set up to be started up so you can actually hear it run. The sounds great. So let's start it up and you can listen to it run. You can hear how good it sounds. It's got a solid lifter cam in it. It's 570 lift, 240 at 50 thousandths with a 108 center line. Listen to the cam. Sounds real good. Sounds great. Great throttle response. Almost wants to jump off the engine stand. Great oil pressure. Listen to the thing just sit there and idle. This will be one tire frying machine, let me tell you. You pull up somewhere, you got that big cam popping off in there. Thing sounds bitchin'. It's a little loaded up. I'm just starting to start it off. But once you put that in the car and you run it a little bit, it's clean right up. Thing sounds mean. You can stop by, you can hear it run, you can rev it up if you want. Look at the oil pressure, just sitting there, it's great. All right, let me know. My phone number is 413-204-1390. You also can send me a text.